In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share public templates in Clickup. Let's dive right in and simplify your workflow by effectively utilizing Clickup templates. First, you'll want to head on over to Clickup, which is your all-encompassing application for managing work. It's the central hub where we'll be setting up everything. Once there, you'll find the login option prominently displayed on the home page. Give that a click to proceed forward. Upon clicking login, you'll be presented with a sign-in method. Here, we recommend using the sign in with Google option. It's fast, convenient, and helps keep all your productivity tools interconnected. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to choose the account you want to use. Make sure you pick the account linked to your professional or project workspace to maintain clarity in your Clickup account. Now we're in Clickup, and it's time to navigate to the specific folder where you'd like to create a template. Once you've selected your folder, locate the three dots usually found next to the folder name or description. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, choose Templates. This gateway leads you toward creating your own reusable processes. On the Templates page, you'll see an option labeled Save as Template. This is where you begin creating your personalized template. After clicking, it's time to get creative. Think of a name that's specific yet catchy, one that highlights the primary purpose of the template so that you and your team can easily identify it later. This step is crucial for maintaining an organized workspace. With your template named, find and click Save Template. This officially logs your structured process into Clickup's system, prepping it for future use, but we're not done yet, especially if sharing this resource with others is part of your plan. Return to your folder and click the three dots again, revisiting the Templates section. This time you want to browse your templates. This action will display all the templates you've created and saved. Among them, locate the template you just crafted and click on it. Once it's open, look for the Share option. This is the final step to make sure your template can be accessed by your teammates or collaborators. Within the sharing settings, select Public Sharing. This feature allows others to use your template, increasing its utility beyond just your immediate workspace. To wrap it up, use the copy link icon, which gives you a shareable link. Share this link with your team or anyone else who could benefit from the template, and just like that, you've streamlined a segment of your work in Clickup. And there you have it, a seamlessly crafted template ready for sharing with just a few clicks. By following these steps, you're making project management not only scalable but also incredibly efficient for everyone involved. Thanks for watching and happy templating.